Hello, everyone. Dr. Ron here, the host of Dr. Ron Unfiltered, Uncensored, on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just an update to let you know what's been happening and an important information about your shower head. As I said, I am the host of Dr. Ron Unfiltered, Uncensored with co-host Dr. Jerry Smith, and we are on the air Tuesdays at 4 p.m. We can be reached at www.blogtalkradio.com/health network, or you can call in to listen or ask questions at 347-989-8899. Over the past couple of weeks, we have been very fortunate to have interviewed Dr. William Wong, and those interviews can be found at Blog Talk Radio, iTunes, Stitcher, iHeartRadio, Alexa, Google Play, and most podcast platforms. Dr. Wong was very informative about things that you can do now to stay healthy. He talked about enzyme essence and systemic enzymes during his first interview, and during his second interview he talked about things you can do to improve your sexual functioning. Those interviews can be found on our site, and you can also go to drwong.us, drwong.us, or drwongessentials.com to see what his products are and to see his writings and hear some of his podcasts. He has a lot of podcasts listed there, and he's very interesting and very informative. So, ladies and gentlemen, today I wanted to do this video because of information that has just been made available that I thought would be interesting to you. And the title of the article is Showerhead Bacteria Linked to Lung Infection Prevalence. And the takeaway is that researchers in Colorado took biofilm samples from showerheads throughout the United States and Europe and found hotspots with a high abundance of potentially pathologic types of mycobacteria. They were overlapped with areas of high prevalence of non-tuberculosis mycobacteria called NTM, lung disease. This is not tuberculosis, but non-tuberculous mycobacteria. The researchers from the University of Colorado at Boulder published their findings in the American Society for Microbiology's journal MBio. They conducted DNA analysis to identify which bacterial species lived in showerhead slime and their abundance. They were more abundant in areas in the United States with municipal tap water. The authors said mycobacteria tend to be more resistant to chlorine-based disinfectants used in the United States. Other factors affecting the prevalence of mycobacteria were water chemistry, water source, and material of the showerhead. They matched the prevalence of bacteria in showerheads and high incidence of NTM or non-tuberculous mycobacteria lung disease in parts of Southern California, Florida, and New York. They studied 606 samples from the United States and 50 from Europe, and all were collected by citizen scientists. So the takeaway is, ladies and gentlemen, if you, especially if you filter out the chlorine in your house, you must occasionally sterilize your shower head. Rub it down with vinegar or colloidal silver or chlorine. And as the study noted, this also occurred in chlorinated water. So no matter what, as part of your routine of staying healthy, it would be my suggestion that you keep your shower heads clean and clean them on a regular basis. All right, so that's basically what I wanted to bring to you today, because this can affect something you're doing now. My next YouTube and Facebook will involve the new flu drug that costs $150 a pill, and break it down to see why it was released so quickly in the United States when it came from Japan, what its effects are, and do you really need it? So we'll do that probably tomorrow. I want to thank you for listening, and remember to check out our archived shows at blogtalkradio.com/health network or on iTunes. Thank you for listening and have a great day.